Now let's see the concepts of prime implicants of K-map. Prime implicants of K-map. Each group on the K-map represents the prime implicants. Many of them are confused between the prime implicants and the essential prime implicants. For prime implicants means each group on the K-map represents one prime implicant. Let's see one example, then you will understand the prime implicants. Suppose if I take the Boolean expression using the K-map, if I take the variables like this question, f of a comma b comma c, three variable, numbers be the 0 1 3 5 7. We already know that 421 code, we already know that, right? 0 means 000, 1 means 1 here, 2 zeros, 3 means 1 1 0, 5 means 1 0 1, 7 means 4 5 6 7, 111. Let's see the K-map for this. This will be the A, B, C, 0, 1. This will follows the gray code sequence, right? This will be the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see the numericals first. 0 SOP form means in K-map you will get the 1, right? Next 1, next 3, 5, 7. Here you can observe this quad will form a one group, and next this pair will form another group. You can observe here this one will be the just like a barrier between this quad group and the pair group. Hence this one is said to be the prime implicant. Now you will know the answer. This will be the A bar, this will be the A, this will be the B bar, C bar, B bar, C, this will be the B, C. A plus A bar 1, here B bar common, C plus C bar 1. Hence this answer will be the sorry, here A bar only, right? Here A bar, this will be right. A bar, here if you take the B bar common, you will get the C plus C bar, that means 1. Answer will be the A bar, B bar. Here this will be the A plus A bar 1. Here if you take the C common, B plus B bar, you will get the 1. Hence the answer will be the C. Now let's see the concept of essential prime implicants. Essential prime implicants. essential prime implicants means the minimum number of prime implicants required to include all ones present in the K-map are called the essential prime implicants. That means the minimum number of prime implicants require to include all ones present in the K-map are called essential prime implicants. Essential prime implicants. Let's see the quite example for the essential prime implicant. If you observe, before that many of the people are getting confused for one sort of problem in the K-map. First of all, I will rectify that problem, and next I will explain the essential prime implicants example. Let's see that example. If you take the K-map like this will be the A, B, C. This will be the 0, 1. This represents the gray code sequence 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This 1, 1, 1. If you get the K-map like this, first thing how you can done the pair. This pair will be the one pair, this will be the another pair, and most of the thing that and combined this is also another pair. Here this pair is not required. This pair not required. This pair and this pair is enough to get the answer. Many of the people what they have do means they will make this as one pair and this as one pair and this as another pair. That will be the burden for your competitive type of examinations. So in order to reduce that strain, you can't consider not pair not required. Okay, the answer will be this will be the A bar here, B bar C, this will be the B C, C common, you will get the B plus B bar. B plus B bar means 1, right? This will be the A bar C. This pair answer will be this will be the A, B C, B C bar. This will be the, if you take the B common, C plus C bar, that means 1. Answer will be the A, B. Hence final result will be the A bar C plus A, B. Now you clarify the and get the doubt, right? Now next you will see the some essential prime implicants problem, then you will understand more efficient in this example how we can use the essential prime implicants. Let's see the example. The question will be like this: f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation of m of 1 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 15. Let's represent this question in the K-map. You already know how to represent that numericals in the K-map, right? This will be the AB CD with the 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This will follow the gray code sequence, right? And here this will also be the 0 0 0 1 1 1, and so this is also 1 0. The ones will be like this. SOP form terms will be like this: 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Here you can observe this will form an quadrite one group, and here this will become the pair, and here this will become the pair, and here this will become the pair, and here this will become the pair. Here you can observe clearly this one will be the main barrier to form a pair for this SOP form number, right? That means 1. This one will be the barrier to form a group for this SOP form 1. Same that way. This one also be like this. This one also be like this. That means this numerical 1 will be so important. That means essential. We must needed to form a pair. That's why this implicants is said to be essential prime implicants. Now you can understand the essential prime implicants, right? Thanks for the lecture. Next we will see the don't care conditions in the K-map. Don't care conditions in the K-map will be the last concept for your unit, and next we will start the combination circuit. Thank you.